Both my husband and I work full-time, so it's really important for us to put good quality meals on the table for our children, and that's where Shape+Store is really critical for our family. And once we started using Shape+Store, we were able to plan out the meals much better, and we're able to make all the ingredients, put them together, and freeze it on the weekend so that when we come home from work, we can just open up the freezer, find what we need, and throw it into a pot or a pan or the barbecue. It's great because I can call my husband, and when he's home from work before me, he can just go into the freezer, grab what he needs, throw it on the barbecue. And even the kids can use them. They're so used to having them in the freezer now that if they want fresh cookies that I've made the dough on the weekend, they pull it out, throw it into the oven. If we have extra people show up at the dinner table, it's really easy to pull a few more things out of the freezer. It's really nice that when I'm using Shape+Store, I can buy the ingredients at the store. I know what's going into the meals. I'm prepping it myself. I'm freezing it myself. I know it's healthy, quality ingredients that are going into my kids. And also, when I think about how much we spend on groceries, I'm actually saving money because I'm able to buy my meat in bulk and create multiple meals at once. And as many other people deal with, I have a lot of picky eaters in my family. So the Shape+Store container allows me to customize each meal for different members of my family depending on what they like. And they're all in the freezer ready to go for the meal that evening. So Shape+Store really saves us a lot of time and takes the stress out of putting meals on the table at the end.